Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezell. I'm one of the co-owners and designated broker of Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, we're going to talk about some of the many benefits of owning a property as opposed to renting. There are so many reasons for people to go either way in this debate, and it really does depend on where you're living in the country. When it comes to the Arizona market, our rents have skyrocketed. In the last year, they've gone up over 13% as a whole. Now, this factors into so many people, right? Now, the fact is, right now, in so many areas, it is more feasible, it's more cost-effective to purchase a property than it is to rent. I've had two people in the last month come up to me and actually want to purchase property simply because it dawned on them that in the last 10 years, they spent over $1 million in rent. I'll let that set in. In the last 10 years, both of these people have spent over $1 million in rent. Now, I hate to say this, but what dawned on them is here they are, and what do they have to show for it? They don't have any equity, no appreciation, no asset that they can sell, borrow against. They are starting from day one. And that's my tidbit for today. I can't say if it's the right decision for you today in your market or not, but think about this. Up until about the mid-80s, 60% of a person's net worth when they retired was in their home. If you unfortunately might face some sort of emergency or some life-changing event, could there possibly be a benefit to not having a mortgage payment or a rental payment? And that's what I'm getting at. If you buy a home, yes, you might have a mortgage today, but you are paying something off to own. Today, it may not seem like it makes sense, but think about the future and make your decision on that note. Have a great day, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Good morning, everybody. Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. I got a bug in my eye again. Gotta love spring in Arizona or something. Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property.